everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about some makeup I had purchased the other day with my birthday money that I had gotten from my mother-in-law. So thank you, Cookie, for the money for me to purchase all this. So anyways, I was having problems with my makeup. You know, as you guys know, I'm 49 and your skin does change a lot over the years, and you do get lines and your skin is not as moist as it used to be and supple, and but I would say that my skin actually looks good for my age, but it has changed a lot over the years. So I went to Saks and I purchased some Chanel makeup, and I had them do a makeover on me and help me pick out makeup that will be perfect for my skin and also for my age. So let me show you some of the things that I had purchased. Let me get my glasses on. So I went to Saks and I got me some makeup. I'm so excited. So a lot of the stuff that I bought is something that's not going to make my skin look older on me. You know, when you go to the grocery store and purchase makeup, you really can't tell what they look on you, but when I left there, I felt so good. So let me show you some of the things that I purchased. First of all, I purchased a foundation. As you can see here, it is a Beige 30, and this one she told me is a light to medium coverage, which that's all I really need. I don't like anything too heavy. In Texas it gets so hot, and just sweating through that foundation just grosses me out. So I really like this one, and also has an SPF 15. And with this I purchased the base that goes underneath your makeup, and this base is SPF 40 and it's called 20 Mimosa. So this is a sunscreen primer that goes right underneath your foundation, and you can actually wear this primer in alone, is what she told me. So it has a very nice light color, and there you go, you can see that. So that you can wear alone if you want to wear something really sheer and very natural. She says that this will actually work alone as well. Or you can mix it with your foundation and also apply it to give yourself more of a lighter or more natural look. So with me, I don't go and hide all my flaws. I would like to, but I like my makeup so sheer that you can see some of, you know, I have a sunspot here and a sunspot here, and if they show, I don't mind as much. I might dab maybe a concealer here and here just to hide it a little bit, but other than that, I just don't apply a lot of makeup. So buying this just made me so happy. I just felt like that is so gonna work for me. And I also purchased their powder here. It is medium to light color. This actually looks a little bit darker than what I like, but she applied it on me, and I guess it felt like it looked good. So I am wearing the foundation, the primer, and the powder today. And this powder is not as drying to your face. It's not as matte. And as we get older and we apply powder to our face and we smile, you can see the lines more because of the powder. So I told her I wanted something that wasn't as matte, and then she told me how to apply it. So as you can see here in the brush, so she told me that I need to lightly apply it like this, and it should not look as cakey. So today that is what I did, and so far I think everything's good. So, and I love the compact as well. I think it is so pretty. I love it. And as you can see here, the back, okay, It's the medium to light. What else did, and of course the compact came with this little pretty velvet case here. You can put that in here and stick it in your purse if you wanted to carry it in your purse. And then I also got me a eyeshadow. It's their cream eyeshadow. Here is the box for it so you can see that. And the color is called 808 Lilas Or. It actually says Lilas Or. There you go. Don't know if you can see that. And the color is really pretty. I'm actually wearing it today. So it doesn't crease. And the color is just amazing. Let me go ahead and put that on my hand. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of, don't know if you can see it. It's right here. But it's really pretty. I have it on my eyes today. It's a very natural look, which that's what I go for. And she says this does not crease. I'm sorry. It's a Longwear eyeshadow. I'm assuming by the end of the night that it will be creasing, but she says it is Longwear also. Let me put that back in here. And I didn't buy the mascara only because on my last video, as you know, I had purchased mascara. It's called Clinique Fit. So this one is amazing. If you want more of the fuller look, this is the one to get. It's really nice actually. I tried it on today. It's 10 Noir. I would purchase this when I'm done with my Clinique Fit, so I do like it a lot. And then there's two other things that I purchased. I got a 20 Beige concealer, and I purchased this concealer because she says it also works like a primer, and it's not as drying for your skin. It's actually a moisturizing concealer, which when you have a 49-year-old skin, this is really nice, and it does work on me. It doesn't look cakey. When I smile, it doesn't look as bad as some of the other concealers that I wear. But like I said, I don't wear a lot of concealers. I just dab here and there, maybe a little bit on the corner of my eyes. And I did apply this where my shadow goes because she says it does work like a primer also. So I'm really excited about this. And my last item that I purchased, and I'm so excited about this because I have so many problems with eyeliners. I have hooded eyes, as you can see here. I have hooded eyes, so when I apply eyeliners here, it gets up here when I open my eyes. And also, I really can't apply it down here because it goes down and it just looks horrible. Eye makeup just doesn't always look good on me because of the way my eyes are shaped. But I always apply eyeshadow no matter what, and I always apply mascara. I just have to be really careful. But I love, love, love this eyeliner so far. I am wearing it today. I don't know if that's going to focus. Don't know what you guys can see. But it is 887 Charme. Not really sure if that's how you pronounce it. It's kind of like a plum color. She says this eyeliner should make the green in my eye stand out. And I have applied it yesterday on my waterline, but today I've only applied it underneath and also on top of my eyes. And I feel like so far I don't have any issues with it. I don't know how it's going to be when it gets really hot. But usually when I wear eyeliner, when I close my eyes, it's up here too. I guess because, I don't know, but it gets really frustrating and sometimes I just give up. So hopefully this does work on me. I'm just so excited that I've had somebody who knows how to apply my makeup on. Usually when I go to get my makeup done, because I've gone to Dior, I've gone to Clinique, I've gone to MAC, I've gone to Chanel a couple times, but I think this time when I went in, I just told her exactly what I wanted and what's going on with my face and what problems I have with my eye makeup. I think the SA did such a good job. She did such a good job. So I'm really thankful that she helped me pick out some stuff. And also, I didn't purchase the skin wear line, but she did apply that on me and I did like it. She had some kind of moisturizer that she put on me, and I haven't used this yet, but I did like it when she had put that on me. Let's see, and I don't know what this is. I have to, but it's supposed to help take the extra dirt out from your skin. So, and another, here you go. Yeah, this is called an Ultimate Skin Regeneration. So this is the moisturizer that you put on your face to help your skin look better. And this kind of says the same thing. It says Ultimate Skin Regeneration. So I guess you use them together. And then Light Active Concentrating Revitalizing, I don't know. But I also got these as a free gift. So she gave me the mascara and these 3 skincare deals for free. And I did want to talk about one of my older foundation that I had purchased, I don't know, 6 months ago or so. I had purchased this at Chanel, and I do like it, but I feel like it's really heavy and it's more like an evening makeup, I guess, and it gives you more of a flawless look. It's more of coverage than the foundation that I had purchased. It's a beige 30. It does look good on me. I do like it. I just don't wear it as much during the day because I feel like it's too heavy for me during the day. I mean, if you see me put on my makeup, it is so simple. Everything's simple. It's just foundation, pat. I mean, just it goes pretty fast. I don't do a lot of covering. I like my skin to breathe. And I feel like since I've always worn my makeup that way, I feel like my skin has looked amazing over the years because of that. Also, I don't wash my face but one time in a day. When I take a shower, that's when I wash my face, and then the next morning, if I just pat my eyes a little bit with eye makeup remover if I have anything around my eyes from waking up. I don't touch my face anymore after that. That's when I apply my sunblock. I always wear sunblock. So I apply my sunblock, and then from there, if I want to put primer on that day, I will put primer on. I don't always do that. I just feel like it's just too much sometimes, and I don't know how much it's good for your skin. So I don't always wear primer. This one here, I may wear more often because of the fact that it is SPF 40, and she says it is a little bit more of the moisturizing. So everything I got today or the other day is for skin that is mature. It's not specifically for skin that's mature, but it helps with my skin. So anyways, now that I've rambled on and on about the makeup, I do want to thank you guys for watching my channel. And please subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up. And also don't forget to press on that bell so you'll get my notifications every time I put out a new video. So anyways, you guys have a wonderful day, and God bless you guys. Bye.